The AUTO-VOX Wireless Backup Camera is designed for quick and straightforward installation, allowing most users to set it up in 30 minutes with ease. Featuring a 5-inch monitor that displays sharp images in 1080-pixel high definition, this camera aids in precise parking and maneuvering even in tight spaces. Its stable digital transmission ensures a reliable and clear video feed, making it easier to judge distances and avoid obstacles in congested areas. With super night vision capability, this camera provides clear, true-color images at night, making it a perfect assistant for parking in dimly lit environments. The camera supports dual channels, offering the option to add a second lens for enhanced visibility and coverage, which is especially useful for spotting blind spots. Complying with the IP69K waterproof standard, the camera is well protected against water and extreme temperatures, ensuring durability in various weather conditions.